You can define event type and event action operations on components, and perform page navigation and value assignment operations on components by defining event types. There are 3 stages within the event type. The first one becomes active when you press the mouse button. The second one becomes active when you press and release the mouse button. And the third part will become active when you need to set a value from the keyboard. Within the event action, there are functions that allow you to perform a total of 8 different operations. The set function assigns a value to the label value determined in the component. The clear function assigns a 0 value. The toggle function assigns values between 1 and 0. The load value function assigns any numerical value entered from the keyboard to the label on the component. The GoPage function allows you to navigate to any page defined within the project. The GoLink function directs to a website added in WebLink extension. Let's examine the result by assigning all event actions to the buttons we created on the project. First, let's create a macro channel for the label we will assign to the components and create a label under it. Then, let's select this macro label on the target event label on the buttons. Now, let's define the event actions on the buttons according to the text name specified. For the load value event action, since we will input any value from the keyboard, the event type should be selected as key press. To observe the Go to Page event action, let's create a new page. We need to select this newly created page from the Go to Page feature on the button. To examine the Go to Link event action, we need to check the Add Link checkbox shown below. Underneath it, in the Web Link section, we will add the desired website URL to direct the button there. After making all the definitions, let's start the server and open the client. To examine the values in the label when we press the buttons, let's split the screen in half and place the server on the right side. When we press the Assign button, we see that the value of the label is 1. When we press the Clear button, we see that the label value is 0. When we press the Toggle button consecutively, we observe that it alternates between 1 and 0 values. When we right-click on the Load Value button and select the Set Value option in the dialog box that appears, we can see the label updating with any value we input from the keyboard. When we click the Go to Link button, it redirects to the website we added to the component. You can perform operations on this redirected website. The Go to Page button performs page redirection.